Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic that most English learners never realize. Many people practice English alone every single day, but even after months or years, their speaking is still weak. Why does this happen? Because they are practicing the wrong way. Yes, practicing alone is not the problem. The real problem is practicing incorrectly. And in this video, I will show you the biggest mistakes people make while practicing English alone and how you can fix them to improve much faster. So watch this video until the end because these tips can completely change your English learning journey. Let's begin. The first mistake is only memorizing vocabulary. Many students spend hours learning difficult English words. They write long vocabulary lists and try to memorize everything. But when someone asks them a simple question in English, they become silent. Why? Because speaking English is not only about words. It is about using sentences naturally. For example, instead of only learning the word hungry, practice a full sentence like, I am feeling hungry right now. Instead of learning busy, say, I am busy with my work. Learning complete sentences trains your brain for real conversations. Now let's move to the second mistake. Only studying grammar without speaking. This is one of the biggest reasons why people cannot speak confidently. They know tenses. They know grammar rules. But they never open their mouth to speak. Listen carefully. You cannot improve speaking only by reading books. Speaking improves by speaking. It is just like swimming. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos only. You must enter the water. In the same way, you must actually speak English every day. Even if your English is broken in the beginning, keep practicing. Broken English is better than no English. Now let's talk about another common mistake, practicing silently in your mind. Many people only read English silently or think about English without speaking loudly. This does not improve fluency very much. Your mouth also needs practice. That is why speaking loudly is very important. Read English loudly. Repeat sentences loudly. Practice conversations loudly. When your mouth gets used to speaking English, your confidence automatically improves. Now here comes the fourth mistake. Translating every sentence from your native language. Most beginners first think in their own language and then translate into English. This habit makes speaking slow and stressful. To become fluent, you must start thinking directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. For example, I need some water. I am feeling sleepy. I have to complete my homework. These small thoughts train your brain to think faster in English. And slowly, speaking becomes more natural. Now let's move to the fifth mistake. Not listening to enough English. Some people only study grammar and vocabulary, but never listen to real English conversations. Listening is extremely important because it teaches you pronunciation, speaking style, and sentence patterns. If you want to speak naturally, you must listen daily. Watch English videos, interviews, podcasts, or movies. And here is a powerful trick. Do not only listen. Repeat after the speaker. This method is called shadowing. For example, if the speaker says, How are you doing today? Pause the video and repeat the same sentence exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone. This method improves fluency very fast. Now let's talk about another mistake. Being afraid of mistakes while practicing alone. Some people even feel embarrassed when speaking English alone in their room. But remember this. Nobody becomes fluent without mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference is that they continued practicing. Now let me give you the correct way to practice English alone. First, listen to simple English daily. Second, repeat sentences loudly. Third, think in English during daily activities. Fourth, speak in front of a mirror. Fifth, record your voice and listen carefully. And finally, practice every single day. Even 15 or 20 minutes daily can create huge improvement over time. Consistency is more important than long study hours. And always remember one thing. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You only need confidence, daily practice, and patience. The more you use English, the stronger your speaking becomes. So from today, stop practicing the wrong way. Practice smart. Practice daily. And most importantly, practice with confidence. Your English will definitely improve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful English speaking content. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. See you in the next video.